Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you why you need this Senville mini split air conditioner. This Senville LETO series mini split air conditioner is so cool. As you can see, it doesn't take up much space at all. You just hang it right on the wall and it hooks into through the wall to the outside unit. That also is fairly small. These are a good sized unit for what we're using them for, just a small shop apartment. So we weren't able to do central air and heat. So this is a great option, especially if you don't want to take up your window space and have your view blocked. They're just a great all around versatile air conditioner slash heater. It does have just a fan only option. It's also a dehumidifier. So we live in a hot, humid area. It's been wonderful at keeping up. The AC works great. It is remote controlled, which is great because we've built this for elderly parents, so they're able to control the temp just from the remote control. It is Alexa enabled, so they can even just tell it what to do. I love that it was so easy to install. And like I said, it has all the functions right there on the remote. It's a extremely smart air conditioner and it has really kept up. I love that when it's not in use, it just closes right up, as you can see. And then when you are using it, the vent just opens right back. And I'm telling you, you can really feel the power of this. So whether you're building or just replacing an air conditioner, I would highly recommend this Senville mini split. And that's my point of view.